Today I'm going to introduce you to a new coding assistant tool called KiloCode, which you can use inside Visual Studio Code. And KiloCode is completely free. It is open source. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can install KiloCode inside Visual Studio Code, and then I'm going to show you how you can build a website using KiloCode. So first of all, let's go and open the Visual Studio Code, and let me just make it bigger. And here we're going to open an empty folder. So I'm going to click on file, then click here open folder. And I have a empty folder over here which is called KiloCode. Here you can see this folder is empty. So I'll just select this folder, then click here select folder, and then you can see this folder is opened over here. Right now we're going to install the KiloCode extension. So here you can see extensions option. I'm going to click on this, and here we're going to search for KiloCode. Press enter. And here you can see KiloCode, and it has right now around 700k downloads. So it will, in case in the future, it will cross 1 million downloads. So here you can see install option. So I'm going to click on install, and it will install KiloCode in Visual Studio Code. So once it is installed, you will see the KiloCode icon over here. At the same time, when you just click on this extension option, then if you just click here, it will also open the KiloCode chat option as well. So let me just close this, and let me just go to the folder location, and here you can see you have the KiloCode option. So I'm going to click here, and it will open the KiloCode chat option over here, as you can see. The thing is, I want the chat option on the right side. I prefer it better. So I'm just going to right click here. Here you can see KiloCode is enabled, and right now I'm going to click here or hover over here, move to secondary sidebar, and there you can see KiloCode chat option is on the right side. So here in the KiloCode, you will see some paid AI. At the same time, you will see free AI models as well. So here you can see at the bottom, we have a model option here. So here the best free model is this one, GLM 4.7. You can also use Kimi 2.5, but here you can see Minimax. Minimax is good for generating code faster, but the result is not satisfying. The best one is this one, GLM 4.7. And there is some other AI assistant tool, but those are paid. And the best free one is this one. So I'm going to select this one, GLM 4.7. And here you can see code option, architecture option, which is basically which will generate plan for you. There you can see ask questions and answer explanation. Debug option, you can also debug using KiloCode. So KiloCode is actually really awesome tool to build your project, find bugs, generate plan, everything. So let's go and create a simple project over here. Let's say I want to build a blog website for let's say fonts. So let's just first make a plan. So I'll just select this architect mode. Then I'm going to click here. So here at the top, you will see the token, how much token you are currently using. If you run out of token, just restart your KiloCode. So it will ask you some question. So I'm going to select the second option. So there you can see it completed the plan. So right now here it will show me some option. Do you want different style or anything? So I'm just going to choose this one. Yes, this plan looks good. Let's start building. And there you can see it automatically switch to code mode. So right now it will make a architecture, I mean the file structure over here, and then start writing the code for us. There you can see it says I will switch to code mode to start building the on blog website. So it is intelligent enough to switch the mode by itself. And there you can see it made some to-do list over here. And here you can see it is asking for permissions. I'm going to click here run. And here at the bottom, you will see some setting option here. If I now click on this, there you can see models, then MCP server, and here you can see rules. If you want to give some specific rules to the KiloCode, you can do it as well over here. You can see the outflow here. You can also add skills over here. So there you can see no skills install. So you need to install it by going to the docs. So you can just check the docs by yourself. So let me just minimize this. And there you can see it created a lot of folders and file over here. So here you can see it's done. So right now it gives us a link over here, address. So right now let me just go to the, and here you can see the folder. Let me just go to this project. I'm going to write over here cmd, and I'm going to say over here npm install. Then I'm going to say here npm run dev. So let me just copy this, Control C, and paste it in the browser, press enter. So here you can see this is our website, this is how it looks, and it actually looks really great, but the image is missing, so we can add the image. So let me just check other pages. The blog page is working properly. So I guess this is the blog page, this is the gallery page, and this is the about page. Okay. So here is the dark mode and light mode. So right now let's just tell our kilo code that add some image in the website from Google. Then press enter. So here you can see it's done. So let's go back to the browser. So right now, if we just refresh here and if you go down, there you can see we have the image over here, as you can see. So if I now click on blog, we have the image, and the website right now looks really great, as you can see. And let me check. We can also click on the blog and we can read the blog. So it is a complete website. So KiloCode did a really awesome job by building this website. So yeah, you can try KiloCode completely for free inside VS Code and build any kind of project you want. I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.